I'm making peanut chutney. I roasted peanuts, about 1 cup of peanuts, and 4 cloves of crushed garlic, then 2 tablespoons of chili powder, some salt, and tamarind juice. About, I would say, 10 grams of tamarind washed and soaked in a water and made into juice. I will add this after blending one time. Peanuts and chili powder, garlic are blended into powder now. I will add tamarind juice, and some water. Blend into chutney. I think I need little more water. Put the top on and blend it. This is ready. You can serve this with the dosa, idli, or you can eat with rice, or you can serve as a dip for some vegetables, steamed vegetables or raw vegetables, anything.